In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a view in Notion. If you're brand new to Notion or just polishing your workflow, this quick guide will show you the fastest way to spin up the exact view you need using /commands. These commands work anywhere you can type in Notion, inside a page or within a database, so you don't have to hunt through menus. Here's the idea. When you type a /command, Notion lets you either create a brand new database or add a linked view of an existing one. A linked view is essentially a window into a database you already have. It shows the same data, and any edits you make are synced everywhere. This is perfect when you want to see the same tasks in different formats without duplicating work. For a classic spreadsheet style layout, type /table or /table view. This is great for detailed properties, quick sorting, and scanning lots of information at once. Think of it as your all-purpose, no-frills workhorse for structured data. If you manage tasks with stages like to do, in progress, and done, type /board or /board view. This creates a Kanban-style board that's ideal for dragging cards between columns and visualizing status at a glance. To see work across time, type /timeline. Timelines help you track durations, dependencies, and overlapping work streams. They're especially useful for project schedules or roadmaps where start and end dates matter. When dates drive everything, like events, deadlines, or content planning, type /calendar. You'll get a familiar monthly grid, and each item appears on the day it's scheduled, making it effortless to spot busy weeks and gaps. For a more visual layout with big card-style tiles, type /gallery or /gallery view. This shines when your items have images, cover art, or when you want a clean, showcase feel for portfolios or catalogs. If you want something compact and streamlined, type /list. It gives you a simple, readable stack of items that's perfect for to-dos or reference databases without extra visual noise. After you insert a view, give it a clear name so you remember its purpose, and feel free to adjust properties, filters, and sorts to match what you need right now. The beauty of using linked views is that you can tailor each one for a specific audience or workflow, all while keeping a single source of truth. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.